Hey, it's Living with Shana. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you're here. I would love for you to join the family, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. We are going to make something very fun. Spring is just around the corner, so we're going to be making fish rolls. You can make this for your holidays or just like a snack to just keep at home to snack on during the week if you want to. Let's get started. We are first going to start with making the fish. Then we're gonna boil the fish first. I have here this how do you call this? Mackerel. Mackerel. I'm gonna be using one. I'm just gonna boil it with salt, white, and black pepper. We are going to boil the fish with salt, white, and black pepper until it's well cooked. Then we're gonna make it with leek leaves, carrots, an onion, and then season it. Then move on to making the dough. This is the fish 5 minutes later, so we're gonna move forward to getting it all cooked or fried with the spices. For the filling, you are going to start by frying your onion for about a minute or so. Then you're going to move forward to adding your carrots and leek leaves. Once that is done, you are going to add in your boiled fish. So here, as you can see, I am making sure I am removing all the bones from the fish. You want to make sure you remove all the bones so that people are not eating bones when they're eating the fish pie. Once in a while you might find maybe like one bone in like a fish roll. That's fine, but just make sure you try your best to remove as much as you can. As you're cooking, you will still find some bones, so make sure you're still picking those bones out as you're cooking. Now that the fish is ready, we are going to move forward with making the dough. For the dough, you are going to need some flour, eggs, baking powder, butter. I actually warmed the butter. You need to have these at room temperature, so the milk, the eggs, and the butter should be at room temperature. Now if you're going to use water, that's room temperature as well. Milk, sugar, and optional, you are going to can't bake without salt. Salt, of course. You can use nutmeg, lemon zest, or orange juice, whatever you want to flavor it. I like vanilla, so I'm going to use vanilla. That's optional. You don't need any of these. I usually use the lemon zest or vanilla. So first you're going to mix all your dry ingredients. You want to always do that when you're baking before you mix your wet ingredients and put it together. So let's go with that. Now let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. I am adding flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder into a bowl and giving it a quick mix. Once that is combined, I will add the wet ingredients. Starting with some softened butter, to give the dough a nice texture, followed by the eggs. For extra flavor, I am using a little vanilla, but you can also add nutmeg or even some lime zest for a bit of a twist. Next, I am adding some milk, but you can also use water if you prefer. Now, I will mix everything together until it forms a smooth dough. Once that's done, I will let the dough rest for about 5 minutes while I clean up my workspace. Then we will move on to the next step. Let your dough rest for 5 minutes. So my camera kind of died, I don't know what happened. I already started cutting this, but this is our dough. I have here water and some flour. I also have my fillings. I have a board here just to put what I fill up. So I'm going to go ahead, and I already have my working surface clean. So I'm going to go ahead and make little sizes like this, and that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to show you how to do one, and yeah, so I got one like this. I'm going to take just a little bit of flour. Oh, la chaise l'a fait tellement de bruit. I'm going to roll this, and when you roll, you want to roll away from you all the way to make it thin. That just cut, but that's fine. I'm gonna make more, okay, just to show you what it should look like. That looks good. I'm gonna just get a spoon, get my filling, and roll away. First, you're just gonna do this. you get to the end, you're gonna get this part and just roll it. I like to just roll it over and over on my working surface to make sure it doesn't open, because if this opens, you don't want that. When you're frying, it won't be good. So make sure you roll it all the way. Here is our fish roll. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will be trying this recipe. It's really easy and you have the perfect fish rolls. The only part that takes time is only rolling. Once you have it rolled, you are good to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to do so. If you like this video, also hit that like button, and please let's engage in the comment section, because I would love to read what you have to say about this recipe. Until then, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. We are going to try our fish rolls. So I will just grab one. They're still hot, they're pretty.